Back on Top the Night Show for today, we will discuss work ethics and behavior. And before we start the night show, I've been telling us something. We will do the recording of the anniversary special when it say go show for February.
They do.
They go show for November 10. They go show for November 10. And then they think of next year.
They do need
Jesus. When I not go blame me, I get work for that February 10.
They remember Valentine's Day from now.
That day. Anyway, November 10, our anniversary, the shoot for the anniversary will happen on the 4th of this November, will be Thursday, for Bogobiri for inside Lagos here. If you one day among those when they say good day for inside studio, when we the shoot the phone number there on top of your TV, just send your name and your location, where you day. Send your name and where you day to that number, then they will call you. Those way they inside Lagos, so, but if you're not in Lagos and you think say you go feel live where you day, come Lagos, come join. Be our guest on Top of the Matter. Over to Bumioni, still on Top of the Night Show. Our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Now, for those of you who want call, make us begin the call today for ask questions to Bumioni as per what we will discuss this evening.
Then when some people know sabi sit for office. When you sit for office, you're supposed to sit straight. Make both your legs. Not be wait now. Make both your legs touch the floor. Not be say you go sit. Come carry one leg as if you did your sitting room.
So wait, so enough day like this now?
For office. You fit do that one, relaxed.
Person like Bash, uncle. Wait, leg not they touch ground.
That's not Bash now.
Or Sharply.
Sharply, those ones, don't be say kini. No way.
So they go do special chair for them for office.
No way Sharply
they go do a quote for them.
No way Sharply go sit down where leg go ever touch ground.
Sharply the leg they touch ground. So you abuse Sharply now. You say you no get where she goes. You no get she go sit down where her leg go touch ground. So are you trying to abuse Sharply?
No, if Sharply is done on top all those small sofa where we say go down. Sharply leg go touch ground. But if Sharply is done on this type chair, no way Sharply leg go touch ground.
Who tell you you don't see her try am before?
Sharply don't come dance for her before now.
Continue. But for this, so if you did like this for office, uncle.
And if you did like that, because we don't expect you. Ideally, we don't expect to make you sit down for office.
Like robot. I tell you before this show starts, say a robot will go do.
No be so. But you feel, just not be say you go sit down, come put one leg for table. I don't see somebody for this our office, go another person's office, as he enter, come out her leg for her shoe, come put both legs on another person's chair.
Hey!
Come cross ham safe.
Maybe share the Monday.
Now girl to girl, girl to girl. You see. Now if somebody just they pass, maybe client or something.
They will say then they're not the professional.
See as they sit down for their office now.
Their work ethics in a zero.
Very poor. So person suppose nobody say make you sit down like this. No, nobody they say that. But sit down in a very professional manner. Nobody say you go carry one leg put up, carry one leg like this. Just make sure say. Your both legs stay on the floor and you are properly seated. Don't be say you go, some girls, they do this one very well. So don't just, you get what I'm saying. And not be say they did that.
Even a fresh air they take now.
Which kind of... Then if you cross your legs, cross them at the ankle. If you did walk, yes.
Okay.
At the ankle or the knee level?
At the ankle.
Ankle
Don't
right
cross your leg.
Down.
Don't cross your leg.
Easy with a bed, come try this thing. Go bring chair, come try them. Come outside.
Don't cross your leg. I'm wearing a skirt.
Okay, no. Easy with a bed, come cross your leg.
Okay.
Come carry chair, cross your leg. I beg. Carry chair. Carry that chair.
Bang on. We don't understand what they should talk about.
So, Moko understand what they talk about now. Yeah. So, cross the leg, man.
Cross the leg now. Like I see.
Tell them.
Exactly. Yeah. For a woman.
Cross the other one where we know. No, what do you do that one?
Not acceptable. You can't sit at work like this. No. You're supposed to cross them at the ankle.
Hi.
Yeah. Don't say you go sit down, go cross leg as if you did one birthday party. Yes, now. In fact, you are conveying a message if you cross them like that. The first one, the second one.
My brother from Lagos, good evening.
Good evening,
my brother, how is you? One now?
I'm fine.
Talk your talk for this talk. Where would they talk?
Now this one Auntie Bumi they talk this I don't understand. So if you there for work tire, you no go cross your legs, sit down. Or you go there like person waiting for prison.
No, be
They say you go cross your leg for ankle.
Yeah.
Ankle.
See the way I cross my own now.
People wey muscle wey full can we no fit cross the leg.
Muscle pull, abi.
Yeah.
You
Then
go stand up, you go
now.
run now.
I no get time.
You go
You
do
stand
exercise,
up.
you go stand up, you go run, you go waka around.
But this way those things no dey proper for work now.
My
Wetin no
brother,
dey proper?
if you not dey proper, he say if you say you not go need cross your leg. Wetin Bumi dey talk be say, you not go cross your leg for knee, you go cross am for ankle.
Yeah.
Okay.
You get it now.
I don't when you say you go to chop, you no good to chop for office.
Bam!
That
yeah.
one.
You support that one?
I no support that one. No.
Ah.
My
Okay,
brother,
what
so you
if
dey chop for
chop?
office be that?
I dey chop am well. I
Ah.
dey chop because of no time. The moment wey you stand up, another thing go back for
Na
your
shade,
back.
you get
No,
shop.
no, you no
Which
suppose
office you
dey
dey
chop
work?
your office.
I mean, na
oh.
shade you get.
No be shade na office.
Which office?
Na ministry.
Na me. Yeah.
They don't
Thank
get
you.
canteen.
Yeah. Good night.
Okay.
Richard, good evening. Biko, Peter, good evening.
Good evening. How
My
you
brother, how is you, Biko?
doing? We thank God, my brother.
Ngwa talk for this talk, Biko.
Yeah, this topic now very interesting one. And the one I will mainly talk to now women when they will put you gun for mouth, they choose for office.
Just they chop anyhow.
All those are not from one ambassadors.
Oh, so that is my own.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eh? People
Okay.
should avoid chewing mouth anyhow. When they have customer, even to attend to them, they'll be chewing mouth.
Chewing mouth, picking nail.
And that kind of chingong, we're going to do task. They come there.
Everybody will hear them. Very bad habit.
Anyway, Peter, thank you, Biko.
Thank you.
Thank you. Over to you.
Then this other one, it's very delicate. Do not cross your arm in front of you.
Wait, like this.
Yes.
In front of.
Do not cross your arm in front of you. It communicates resistance and hostility.
Okay.
You just cross your arm like this.
So wait now. Somebody come
Like
my
say they
office
vex.
now. We dey discuss. I said, so what are you talking about? So it dey wrong. Make I cross my hand
Yes,
like
it
this.
conveys hostility. Yes. Say you dey hostile. Come like this. You know, say if person dey vex, not be like this. You go first do. It convey hostility, like say you dey resistance, hostility. Then another one.
Wait, before another one. From Edo, good evening, Biko. Don't be hostile, Biko. Sanusi Adefan, how is you?
You don't tell.
You don't tell, my brother, we don't know where you go. I can't say they hold you somewhere.
Nobody hold me somewhere.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
now
now
talk
you go
your talk.
somewhere,
I mean,
sir.
now you go somewhere.
No. Hello.
We dey hear you, Sanusi.
We not say when person in the office, but guys, you know, sit down. You need to fold your leg. You put your two legs for ground, because now your office, you balance for ground very well.
So you're not supposed to fold your leg for office?
So I will put my leg for exam office.
Okay. Sanusi, thank you. From Bayelsa, John, good evening.
Good evening, Oganedu.
My brother, how is you?
How is you too?
My brother, we
And
do.
good evening, that madam wey sit down for there too.
She dey hear you. I better talk your
Easy
talk.
beat.
Boss,
And
good
easy
evening.
beat, my good DJ.
Yes, boss. Good evening, sir.
About this office talk, what would they talk for good working placement, ability we call them.
Yes.
I want to know, say, some people where they drive, I believe say that's steering at their office. I want when they sit down, they drive. Now I want to ask them.
No, you go
Then
sit
they
down.
get some people where they sit down for market shop. DSF na their office. I be not be office with that.
Yes,
Office,
now.
my brother.
How they want use they sit down, they sell their market. I be for the women them where they tie wrapper. How you want me them sit down when person come to buy something?
Okay.
I
Okay.
just want to know all those ones because office not only when you sit down for executive share be office.
Yeah.
When you did the trade for market to our office, best way they drive to our office. At least we need to know how those people go they position their own self to.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, John. Well, Bumi only to talk about office bid. Why you dey look? Is it Bumi take a look at?
I don't know. How the person wants to sit down for staring under the chair?
He go like that. He go like this.
Abi, the woman wey dey market go comot cloth because.
Anyway, you don't hear John now. Over to you, Biko.
The woman suppose dey courteous first thing. Because
Okay,
na her
as a
office be
woman,
that.
to start
Yes,
with,
now.
first of all, as you respect yourself as a woman.
You no suppose do like this because customer
But
dey
I
come.
true self, if I see person waiting like this, I want to go pass into the shop.
You
I
go
go
just
waka
pass.
I go waka
Exactly.
pass.
Or maybe the woman sit down anyhow. He wear tie wrapper, come sit down, come, you know go wan enter.
where she dey take breeze from my sister.
If you take breeze from side, come, not be say as
From
customer dey
side.
come.
So how breeze dey enter from side? Pam,
Now
now
we say na
flesh you go dey hit.
now we say na side you go
My
face.
sister,
You no go
continue.
face.
No, not talk what we not supposed to talk.
Then, if you place your hand behind your head and your elbows are forward like this, the person conveys superiority.
Okay, say you dey come follow me talk. I can't say, okay, I
Because
dey hear
like
you.
this,
It dey show I see say maybe I get power pass you.
Exactly. You dey convey superiority to the person.
Well, na true, sha.
Yeah.
Na true. Because if in that one I agree, if person dey follow you talk, okay, I dey hear you.
Wetin you
It
talk?
means say, so what you talk?
You dey convey, yeah.
It means say I dey see you as small boy.
Yeah.
Na no wahala, na ngwa take care, eh?
Call me
You
later.
dey
me
convey
later.
superiority. For that
I
kind.
agree. That one I agree.
Then, if your elbow is on the table and you're on the table and the chin resting on the palm of your hand like this,
So,
you dey convey boredom.
Edo, good evening. From Edo.
Hello, good evening.
How are you?
Fine.
Jane.
I don't really agree for that folding of hand.
Okay. Why?
It depends on your facial countenance.
Count your face. If your face, if you dey smile, constantly fold your
Yes.
hand.
Which
It's not
type
bad.
of folding? Which type
Yes,
of folding?
that's what
This
I
one
think.
or this one?
Which one?
As in folding your hand
Back of neck or front?
for front.
Okay. You
Like
think-
this.
Yeah, no, for front.
Okay, you believe say they okay.
It is okay, yes. It
All right.
depends on your facial countenance.
It depends on your facial countenance, Akwaya.
Yes.
I'm gonna thank you. You dey work?
Yes.
Where you, na company I been a shade.
Company.
I'm gonna thank you.
All right.
Agbef, good evening.
Hey, do how you dey?
My brother, we there. How is you?
I'm with you.
Where your madam? She done born?
You know, you never fall. Is it there?
Hey, yeah. Where she dey?
He dey better bedroom. Me and they find out the was.
Oh, yeah, talk your talk. What we hear?
Where can see?
Katim, she dey. She go. Her two tooth. They disturb am. Two.
And they do. I want to tell you one thing. Where Kati they do where I don't like.
What did she dey do?
Kati know they dance again. Now they dance. What they happen? And
No.
the one that we say, no, they get to dance again. So what they happen?
Agbef, the last time when you call, now when girl come this show, now you dey call today, say na dance or Katim. Talk through what you dey look for when Katim dey dance.
No, I like
What you dey look when she dey dance?
I like the dance. And they look.
You look, you dey look.
Oh
God. Agbef, you not gonna make heaven, no shey you know.
I don't make heaven. I don't make heaven without heaven. The best one.
You make heaven last time.
I never die now. I don't make heaven.
Oh, you don't make half.
You may have.
You remain half.
If I die, I'll make the money half.
All right, no wahala, Agbef, thank you. Greet Madam Do for us.
Okay.
Let's say she want to continue.
Okay. So that one, if you, for instance, you dey for meeting now, they talk, people they, you just put your hand for the table like this, come, put your chin, you dey
You
convey
should say you
boredom.
don't dey tired.
Exactly.
The meeting don't tire you.
Don't tire your waiting that they talk, no interest
Nah.
you. They bored, they're waiting, if they talk finish, make them go abeg, no be say, now only me dey here.
But is it not normal? You dey meeting, people they talk, especially on those meeting where they do for like 10 hours, 2 hours.
Yes.
Person not go tired. We go there.
See.
Okay, so no, the board of directors should not think about that. They should think that they should. Person not dey tire.
You feel excuse yourself from the meeting.
If not the meeting where you not fit
That's
come
what
out,
meeting where you not fit come out.
What if you want go washroom? You no go excuse yourself. You go excuse yourself now.
you will go toilet, go sleep.
You go excuse yourself. Now you be say you go quick, you go sabi as you go do am.
Okay.
Quick go freshen up. By the time you take a walk, come back. everything go down.
You get some guys sleep when they go away. Oh.
Now you say you don't sleep
From
for
Kaduna,
house
good
before.
evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How is you, my sister?
Oh, I'm fine. Oh, I'm fine. How is Sister Bumi? I dey throw salute.
Thank you. Good evening.
Oh, yeah, sister, talk your talk.
I gbadu Sister Bumi. Oh, I like her style very well.
You like her style, Abi?
And now I dey miss Katim.
Katim, she go soon come back. We say food, they miss him. She go soon come back. Nobody they cook night food for us again now.
Are they fine? Good evening.
Well done. No, I say I just greet you now.
My sister, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, bye-bye.
I'm going from Makodi. Good evening. Good man, how is you?
Good evening.
You see your TV, they too loud now. Good man. You're a bad man.
Yeah, good evening.
No good evening.
I'm very, very fine, sir.
Hey, Honanege.
Hi, today.
Fine.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Over to you, because we will soon come up for inside studio. Just talk.
Then when people they talk for phone, you supposed to project a very good professional voice.
Yeah?
Yes.
See, if you talk for phone, you go get professional voice.
Yes, I know be say you go carry phone. Hello? Hello? I can't hear you. Hello? Go dey talk small small. Hello? Hello? The person no go hear you. Or you carry phone. Hello?
Hey, oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, the container. No. Oh, you want my number? I'm gonna take it. Not 8 half dozen again. Hey, no, you can't hear me. Hey,
This network.
this
oh.
network. Hello, hello.
So your voice, is supposed to controlled volume. You know, go there too soft. You know,
But
go
you get
there
some
too
guy
hard.
people say go they talk. You go hear everything when they talk.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you know, suppose they
yeah.
too fast. You know, suppose they too slow. You understand? Not be say you go pick and come scream. At the same time, you know, suppose they too low. You know, suppose they too fast. You know, suppose they too slow.
Okay.
Just pick the phone. Hello, HR department, Bumi speaking. How may I help you?
Wow,
You know-
your father.
Finish. Make a...
Hello, HR department, Bumi speaking. May I, how I go fit help you, my sister? See, even me when they call herself, I go happy.
Yes, now. Say they talk to somebody. Not be say I come pick up. Hello? Hello? Who?
Ta ló sọ̀rọ̀?
Who? Bitch. I'm coming.
Na, that one, they annoying me.
You, no, not you. No, put the, I said not you. Yes, photocopy, 4, yes. Who do you want to talk to? Wrong number.
People, after all this, anyway, double toilet, all of them we don't listen to us this evening. We they discuss work ethics and behavior. This of them we don't call double toilet. Thank you to all of them we don't call. And those we send tweet messages. Mona no vex say we not read on our tweet messages today. Mona no vex. Until tomorrow we'll come on our way. Double toilet to K Moss, K Solo, Big Bash, Sharply. Bumi only the HR expert, and then Oscar to the DJ of the living.
Yes.
Make I not add the dead. DJ Easy Beats. Anyway, till tomorrow. Before I come out, make I give you this announcement again. Our anniversary shoot they happen on Thursday. On Thursday, it go happen for Bogobiri for inside Lagos here. If you know, say you go in one day part of the audience for the shoot of that day. That number when they on top of TV now, make you send your name and your location. Where you there? Send your name so that you go join. And for those who say go there for inside studio. Anyway, till tomorrow, una good night.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.